The digital transformation is changing all aspects of our lives, from how we get groceries to how we consume healthcare. It's changing our expectations as consumers. We expect a higher level of service and engagement and empowerment throughout the journey. At Phonak, we've looked at the entire hearing care pathway and identified how this technology can add value for both the consumer and the professional every step of the way. My name is Christine Jones, and I'm the Vice President of Audiology at Phonak and the Director of the Phonak Audiology Research Center. The universal connectivity that Phonak has brought to the market is really a game changer because now anybody with a smartphone can access this entire suite of solutions. These tools make it really easy to engage about your hearing. It could be early in the journey where you want to do a quick online screener to determine your hearing status, or down the track when you want to engage with a professional about some concerns that you're having about your hearing aids in your daily life. It reduces all of the barriers to connect with a professional. This technology allows hearing care professionals to stay engaged with consumers in a way that has never been possible before. So even in the earliest phases of the journey when they're experiencing that hearing aid for the first time in new environments, the professional can really be a partner to them, getting their immediate feedback, real time, responding as needed, and really partnering to achieve those lifestyle goals that the consumer has. The Phonak suite of eSolutions tools are really about empowerment. The desires and attitudes of the hearing care consumer today are changing. And so this gives them unprecedented access to both the professional, but also unprecedented independence as they go on their hearing journey. And that is really exciting.
Wow, this is really good.
Yeah.
Okay, it sounds good.
Phonak has eSolutions that benefits the hearing care provider and their patients across the key areas of the patient's journey. The eScreener has many benefits. For the professional, it allows them to help build their online presence. And for the patient, it allows them to gauge their hearing loss independently without that face-to-face interaction that may be intimidating. Phonak Remote Support provides better online adjustment success due to its use in real-life situations. It's really designed for follow-up appointments to allow that hearing aid to be remotely adjusted without the patient having to come into the office. As long as they have a smartphone, it's simple, intuitive, and easy to use. You can schedule remote support sessions just like any follow-up appointment with an indicator that says, this is a remote session, so you're not going and looking for that patient in the waiting room. Not all hearing care professionals will be using the remote support technology, so it's a great way to stand out to potential patients in your area. And when you're working with a patient to select the product, you might find one that says, hey, that's a great feature to have. I really want that remote support. It will really help in that product selection process. All the latest Phonak Audeo Marvel products are able to be adjusted via a simple remote support session. And don't limit this type of service to young techie people. Think about people that may have more issues, mobility or just cognitive issues, but they might have a loved one, a caretaker, who can help them with a remote support session. They can help guide them through that session and use Phonak Remote Support to complete that remote fitting. And finally, we have Phonak Hearing Diary. Hearing Diary is an easy way for patients to communicate and share their hearing aid experiences with their hearing care professional. The professional gets a web-based dashboard providing you with information on things like hearing aid satisfaction and any issues the patient may be having at the time. This allows you to identify, react, and assist patients to improve client satisfaction. All these great eSolutions from Phonak are available now and can be used with our industry-leading, award-winning Audeo Marvel hearing aids.
The future is here, and as Scott mentioned, there are eSolutions now to add value at every point in the consumer journey. I think what we're going to see with this is that we're not just adding ease or accessibility to the hearing care journey, but we're truly able with these technologies to make things better. It's an opportunity for patients to achieve better outcomes and better satisfaction than ever before. That's how we know that this innovation is meaningful and is truly taking the next leap forward in helping people to live a life without limits.